this is Elizabeth with WTI, and if you're always on the go but you want to have your smoothie or your protein shakes and you don't want to take an entire blender with you, well then, BlendQuik has got a great solution for you because it has this nice, small, portable blender. This portable blender has two things. One, it has a blender, and two, it has a mason jar. So that way you can actually drink on the go. You can actually keep the blender intact, and then right at the top here, it has a hole. That way there's a port that's easy to drink out of. Or you can use a straw. This straw actually opens up in the middle because we all know we've been drinking this at work, like we probably ain't cleaning it. We gotta clean it later. There's stuff all in that straw. Perfect way to clean it. So to use this straw though, there's one side it's gonna clip into the other. So you just start at one end and then massage it all the way down. Once it's together, then you have a functioning straw and it's good to go. As you can see, the blade does come sharp and ready to be used. So if you're wanting to use frozen fruit, of course, according to the size, and you're probably gonna wanna use a smaller amount of that. I personally love to use this for all of my different protein powders. At work, not everyone has a blender. Also, the blenders are huge and I wanna clean out that huge blender for just one serving. Right here, it has the plug to charge it. So you can charge it at home, or you can even put the plug in your car and charge it while on the go. This has to be attached, twisted on, and then you hit it twice. You have to hit the button twice for it to turn on. Now I've watched this several times and I've not had an issue with it. You wanna be gentle with it because remember there's a battery in here. Well, if your lifestyle means that you're always on the go, then you need a blender that's gonna help support that lifestyle and keep you on the go. But hey, that's just my point of view.